today I will discuss about how to start export business. So usually after doing my routine exercise, either it is running or cycling, some positive thought comes and I try to make that positive thought into some sort of video which can help to the people. So my topic is today how to start export business. Export business is really very tough what we are thinking. But if you understand the export business, that is not too difficult. We can make it very simple. At this time, India is moving towards a manufacturing hub and supply chain centers. In that situations, definitely export is a very good opportunity for us. Our uh, government is a slogans local to globals. So to convert that, we need to increase the export turnovers. So how to do that? Because at this moment our import is gradually rising because of crude oils. So in that situations our foreign currency reserve is gradually down. It is because at this moment the exchange rate, the US versus India, it's come around 94 95. So in that situations every startup units, entrepreneurs, MSME units should think about increase the exports. But that is one very important thing when we are going to the international business platform. We need to understand many things because it is related to many risks also. So first of all, we need to understand what is the scope available in India for the export. First, India is a manufacturing hub in engineering products. India is going to be very top position in the world. So engineering products can be a good items, but everyone cannot do that. Second things, food. India is now a surplus country in agro products, and in food processing also India is going to be the top country. In the same situation, that is chemical items is there, pharmaceutical item is there, handicraft products are there, jewelry are there. So these are the items which you can pick up for the export purpose. But just thinking about by picking the product is not sufficient to make a exports. So in that situation we need to understand from the beginnings to the end how to get money, because ultimately if we are not getting money, then that is no worth of doing exports. So in that situations we have to think about the legal process, the technical process, how to become a exporters, how to register, what is the government agencies are there to help us to become an exporter or easy exporting. So we need to understand all the process, and that's why I have prepared e-books, and that e-books contains picking up the products, choosing the markets, which is the best country for your products. All these items, all these subjects are covered in that books. So very soon I will come with that e-books to completely explain how to start export business. So at this moment we should focus on manufacturing and exporting, and that is a very good items, good business lines for the new entrepreneurs, MSME units and startup units. So thank you.